all about new generation or trending courses and its opportunities henceforth after this unlock phase. You might have heard of these terms if you're a student through your teachers or your friends and family. What's it all about? Whether it's right for you and your growth. This video will help you make that choice. Ultimately, the decision is yours, whether you follow it or not. But I hope to give you some information to help you make that decision. So, new generation courses from National Sector Skill Council. What is it really? Basically, we need to absorb certain potential for the upcoming job opportunities in multiple industries. After this lockdown, we all have to apply jobs in the restarted companies and the newborn companies. They all expect certain skill and technologies that we don't have it or we never needed it before the pandemic. You must be wondering, what are these skills all about? How DGITO, Department of Global Intelligence Transferring Organization with NSDC is going to help you get your right job role after this skill training. As you must have known, these days the technology has become so advanced. All business operations happens through online automation and artificial intelligence. The required skills are basically undifferentiated skills that we never got trained through to face the challenging tomorrow. Without those skills, it's impossible that any company is going to hire or rehire the candidate to be ready to take the right job. To put it very simply, DGITO, Department of Global Intelligence Transferring Organization, provides specialized skill training in various booming sectors like aviation with Aerospace Sector Skill Council with brand name AIMFL International, UFly International and Cloud9 Aviation, Tourism and Hospitality Sector Skill Council with Frankfurt Hotel Management Studies and Beauty and Wellness Sector Skill Council with L'Espanol Academy. This campus is under DGITO, performs as per the tagline, connecting education and the work to make the world work better. That means lives connect with education and work. As on today, we never thought certain changes will happen in our life, even in our work. Updates with the life requirement to make a possible and proactive workforce for tomorrow. We have a huge amount of possibilities to connect the new job and the work life after the pandemic. As per DGITO industry research, there are so many possibilities that required skilled candidates might not have, resulting in failure in interviews. As per DGITO industry research, there are so many possibilities that requires skill that the candidates might not have, resulting in failure in interviews. I have mentioned few links in the description about DGITO that are having variety of industries and the job roles. When you are trying to learn and take a decision for a new course, you can sit with your parents, click the link to connect to the live video counseling, get the expert guidance, and remember, DGITO provides government-sponsored free courses with integrated hostel facility to scholarship-oriented paid courses. All these courses are certified by National Skill Development Council and Sector Skill Council, and all these programs are followed with standards of NSQF. The first thing you have to do is look at all the industries and identify what is your passion, and click the link and do a detailed case study to explore. And you will get the reason to do a new generation course with DGITO. If not, just a recent job opportunity that makes you powerful henceforth. There are many students who might have completed aviation, cabin crew, flight dispatcher, front office associate, hotel management, fashion designing, beauty and wellness, IT/ITES, web designing, computerized accounting, BCom with CA, marine and logistics training, but they might not be having the certification from Aviation Aerospace Sector Skill Council, Tourism and Hospitality Sector Skill Council, and many other sector skill councils of NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, Government of India. If you are looking out For other traditional courses like BA, BCom, definitely you can go and visit New York International programs for expertise guidance. What is if you have already joined any other course? Is it a waste of money to do this new generation course as part-time or online? Of course, no. Like I said before, the skill training from Ministry of Skill Training and Entrepreneurship, with a huge demand, with more advances have been made every day, and the endless possibilities of the next few decades, literally endless, that will help you for your future lifestyle. And right after the education, before you complete the traditional courses, you will be eligible to face the interviews to get a job. That will help your campus recruitment make you as a flagship and more successful and safe at any industry with your shining resume with Sector Skill Council certification. There are few courses that you can do inside the college without affecting your current ongoing study. The expert trainers from DGITU come to your college and give you a special training with an additional cost. If you are confused with your job role, your industry or passion, you can always talk to the DGITU counseling expert or visit dgitu.org. The counseling expert will give you special counselor advice. Part-time online courses are also very rich in skill training. You can also look into that as well. There are two types of training system with DGITU. One is government sponsored and paid courses. The next thing you need to consider that as a cost, DGITU provides 100% free courses with food and accommodation, till the extra luxury paid metropolitan courses as well with international internships. DGITU charges a standard training fees for paid courses because they need to have industry specialized infrastructure with industry experts for the national and international certification. And the luxury course fees can be quite high. So think of all these factors and discuss all those things with your family before you make the choice. The way I looked at it for the first time, like my assurance as my career, you hope you always have those skill set. That's your confidence. If you hope your job will never get rejected, then it's likely won't. These courses usually happens in DGITU campuses across India and selected major colleges in multiple countries. And those luxury metropolitan programs are conducted to learn in luxurious 7-star campuses with a mind-blowing, extravagant, luxurious experience with Emirates in-flight training and 3 months internship in Dubai or Singapore. For the government-sponsored courses, you may not get it on your chosen course and your chosen city. So get yourself updated about those courses, and like-minded someone needs those courses before you in those cities. You might share this information to them and help a family or a friend. You can ask as many questions with DGITU counseling experts. No question is stupid. Why only DGITU has AISSE certification, that is Aviation Aerospace Sector Skill certification? If I join in any other institution, will I get the Sector Skill Council certification? Right after the certification, will I get a job? Can I do a part-time job with my course? Or will I get a hostel facility? So all these courses can be clarified with our DGITU counselors. I am in the industry and this company last 10 years. I understand thousands of students being successful through the skill training and the BBA and MBA courses. Those who are working in the airline, airports and many other better companies. I hope you all enjoy this video and share to the people. And if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for all our updates. Lifestyle envied by many, but enjoyed by very few. You can be one amongst them. Signing off, Rubia.